uKhuthatso ebambisene noYui Kamichi waseJapani baguqise izintokazi zaseNetherlands uDidi de Groot kanye noJiske Kroefen kowamanqamu alomqhudelwano bubanjelwe eLondon eNgilandi. Lo mpetho neminyaka engama-28 ubudala uthi bawufunda kahle umdlalo ukuthi bazowunqoba kanjani.
Obviously, this one feels great because we fought for it. Last year they were so, they were so tough. But we've been observing them throughout the year, whichever opponents that they were playing, and simply because we missed playing them at the US Open, we wanted this one so bad.
uKhuthatso uthi ukunqoba lesicoco kuzokhuthaza lelizwe ukukhulisa ibhola lomphebezo.
Honestly, for me, this victory is just making sure that the legacy of wheelchair tennis exists. I'm sure you all know the struggle for us as wheelchair tennis athletes in the country. We still are pleading for the support to get our programs back on track. I mean, this is just, for me, I just do it to keep the legacy alive until we get that support.
Umama wakho bekhona kuzohlangabeza indodakazi yakhe kanti uthi bajabule kakhulu.
Sijabule kakhulu njengomndeni ukubona uKG ephakamisa iflag laseNingizimu Afrika nokumelela kuleli.
Everybody.
uKhuthatso nozakwabo uKamichi waseJapani bahlulwa kowamanqamu unyakenye njengoba begcine besinqobile lesicoco.